Hi, and welcome to this video tutorial on the Custom Report Builder. If you need a quick refresher on where to find the Report Builder, simply go to Reports and click Report Builder. Our first video walked through how to use the pre-built templates, and this video will show you how to build and customize your own report completely from scratch. Every report is made of sections, and each section starts with a layout. Choose a single column or split it into 2, 3, or 4 columns when you want content side by side. In this video, we'll select 2 columns. Click and you'll see the button Add Element. This is your toolkit. Pick and choose any element you'd like to start building your report. Just like we spoke about in our first video, every block pulls up-to-date information from the recipe. Let's walk through the different elements together. There is a label block for the nutrition facts panel, an ingredient breakdown table, and a nutrient breakdown you can set per serving or per 100 grams. There's also a claims element block. There's an allergen breakdown block, and a simple allergen statement. You also have your cost breakdown. You can also add a nutrition card, and you can add a front-of-pack label element block. Finally, for your layout, you've got the option to add a heading, a paragraph, an image, and divider blocks. Here's what makes this powerful. On any text block you choose, heading or paragraph, you can add variables. Variables are dynamic recipe data, like recipe name, for example, that you simply select to add instead of typing it. The report always pulls it straight from your live recipe, even if you make changes. There's a whole set of variables, including serving size, calories, number of servings, even a best before date that calculates from today. Update the recipe later, and every report updates with it, so your documents never go stale. Add as many sections as you need. Mix in tables and images, and lay everything out across your columns as shown in this example report. When it's built, click Save in the top right corner. You can then preview, share, download, or generate a QR code, exactly like a template. And remember, you can save this as your own template to reuse later. One recipe, every document your team needs, built once and always in sync with your live data. Open the Reports tab and build your first report today.